welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we have a busy day. Last night when we were out with some friends and on our way home, my clutch wire went on my motorcycle. So today I got to go out and scout and see if I can find a generic clutch wire. I believe that if I'm going to order one, it'd be weeks out. So I'm going to go and scout a little bit, and I figured we do a little blogging. At the same time, I have to go to immigration today, so I was going to make a blog day out of it, and it became a little bit more than I wanted. So you know, I have the wires sitting there on the floor. Somebody cut it, or it cut itself, or whatever happened. But when I was going home last night, I could feel something was wrong. And before we got home, I had the thing pop off completely, and I'm in the middle of traffic, no clutch, no nothing. But we made it home safely. So come on for a ride. We're gonna go and try to find some parts here today. Alright guys, we are on our way on a hunt for a clutch wire for the motorcycle. So I made a deal with one of the trike guys. I'm gonna go for a little ride. We check a couple of places down here first, and if they don't have it there, we have to go to Angeles. And once we are done with that, then we will go to Marquee Mall, where I have to go and renew my visa today. So hang along for a little ride today. Alright, so we arrived here at the motorcycle place. We'll see what they got. Right? So, let me have that back. Put it right there, that's fine. Hey, do you have a clutch wire? It's a Kawasaki. I have my old wire here, so we can look at it. I'll bring it with me. It's a clutch, okay? Yeah, and it broke.
Currently pabiling Malboro. Isa lang, solely country.
May sali na ako ng cover.
Meron ba? Mobile siya ito. Wala siya, mobile siya. Mobile siya ito. Wala makapit ng oras.
So we'll see if they have it.
Balik mo eh, bata tayo na kayo. Ne? May sticker mo yan.
Cable clutch.
Huh? Yeah.
Clutch cable.
Clutch cable.
Kawasaki.
It's a Baya Avenger.
Avenger.
Yeah. It's probably nothing you have in stock. I was just hoping you could have something generic.
Excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Tawagin mo nga. Jerry!
Barbie, ako ba?
Jerry! Check mo nga ito. Kawasaki yung motor niya. Ngayon, ito. Tingnan mo.
Kawasaki.
It's an Avenger, Baya.
Avenger.
But it's
Tingnan mo. Yes, that's mechanic.
assembled
Assemble.
by Kawasaki.
Oh, tingnan mo.
Kawasaki Baja.
Yeah,
Baja.
you know what that is, right?
Yeah.
With
With.
125 or 120?
And a 220.
220. LS.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo nga kung anong pwede doon. Okay lang naman doon kahit hindi yun.
Pang Supremo.
Premo?
Ay, ano? Kaso lang yung dati. Clutch to, di ba? Clutch. Supremo.
Premo, bebe?
Big bike.
Yeah, it's a 220, but it's bigger than most bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Asan po yung wheeler niya?
Yeah, that's the back end of it that goes on the motor. So I mean, this looks like the same.
Same. But this...
No,
Yung motorcycle. Yung clutch is... like this.
right.
But this one is the same. Only body is not the same.
Yeah, the question is it long enough? I mean, this has a little flex on it, so
I flex it. But this inner cable is not the same. If this cable is flex,
right.
because this inner
Yeah, the fitting here is not the same also. But you can order also, right? Can you order these?
same like wala, pero kadalasan lang para kasi
Janice.
this one.
Basta 100 ito.
All right. If it's long enough, it's fine. If that thing is
Babayan to.
if that thing is long enough,
Mapakaya.
you do that. If it's long enough,
Walang pangalot.
hold it.
Kaya, maraming malaki. Electrical TV. Sure na tapos yun. Kapag nalala mo.
How much is the wire?
May iba pa daw nito, Charlie.
It looks good. I'll take it. I'll try it. 90 pesos is not the end of the world. 90 pesos.
And you can buy two.
Huh?
If you want, you
No,
can buy
I'm
two.
not buying two unless I know.
Kasi gusto niya kayo na flex yung ito. Yung lagayan ng
But if you have two and this one works, I'm going to put one at home. So I have spare.
flex kasi.
But it's almost 2 years. So
Hindi matutuloy na rin eh. Wala
then
daw
we go
walang
home.
kapurang.
Then I go home and I'll fix it and then I take the bike.
Yan kami sa karakaldagan na.
Wow, parang hindi ang babae ni.
All right, so that sounds good. Oh, that's my change.
Wala
All right, how about you?
ibang ganito,
You
Charlie.
keep the change. It's yours.
Sa'yo na raw yan kay.
Te,
Yeah, there you
wala
go.
ring anime.
Okay,
Oh, wait, this way.
yeah, I'm gonna take this with us. Also, I'll take this also. Here. Stick it in there now.
Charlie, wala na iba nila. Wala na. Yung meron pa. Marami.
All right, so with a little bit of luck. All right, thank you. I'll be back. All right, with a little bit of luck, then we'd be okay. All right, so they had one wire, so then we just go back home. I tried to put it together, so we'll go back home. There's our driver. Can't see much of him, but all right. All right.
How about the wallet? It's on the
Yeah, it's in there.
agay.
He's gonna take us in this way through the back door. Yeah. So anyway, it looks like we found that thing. I guess we got lucky. It's not 100%, but I think I can make it work. And it seems like this one is a little longer. I don't think that is going to be a problem at all. So we'll go from there.
Fix it.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going through the back roads here of our barangay, but this is not barangay though. This is something else, right? You know what this barangay is called?
It's part of barangay.
Yeah.
Now is a lot of barangay.
Speed bumps everywhere.
The video is blurred.
Huh?
The video is blurred.
Well, no, it's blurred maybe when you turn a little bit. But anyway, so now we are heading back home, and
Yeah, I don't know if you can see us because
yeah,
inside the truck is like
no, they can see us. It's fine. It's fine. All right. So I'm gonna go home now and try to put this together, and if that's the case, I don't need to use trike or jeepney today. I can use my motorbike, hopefully.
hopefully it fits.
Go to the Marquee Mall for my immigration renewal.
Yeah.
We're gonna vlog a little bit up there anyway, so we'll do that. Let's see.
Parang sinadya talaga.
Tapos, this here.
Ito. They're fixing now. So I hope it's
This one is going to be a little tricky.
Here first, sir.
Yeah.
so you can adjust.
Here first. Border.
Yeah. There you go. We need to squeeze it. You need more?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not enough. It's finished.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Try if it's enough for you, the clutch.
I think it is.
Just try.
Like that?
That's. It needs to be a little tighter, a little more tight. A little more tight, I think. Yeah, we can try and see. We can try and see. Hold on. Yeah, that's fine. I think it's good. All right, thank you. All right, guys, that is it. I think we got the motorcycle taken care of. The clutch wire is back. Seems to be working. Time to go to Marquee Mall. For now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as we are coming out with a new series of videos. And it's going to start happening here towards this weekend, and we'll go from there. Bye bye for now. God bless.